Well, we have to move away from Parliament and we focus on health, especially COVID-19, because 25 students of the Maoli School in the Volta region are currently in isolation after testing positive for coronavirus. At least some 178 senior high schools and students in those schools across the country have also tested positive for the virus. Providing updates on the COVID-19 situation in schools, Director General of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Patrick Kumabwaje, said hospitals attached to the institutions are providing support.
One has 17 cases. They are all on their 10th day or their 11th day today, which means that in the next 3 days, they all recover. The good thing, like I said, all of them are asymptomatic. The only few had some mild symptoms. That has not moved anything. Maoli School had 25 cases. 10 have been moved. All of them have been moved to the isolation center, and we are waiting to see when they will recover. But for Greater Accra, Accra girls had 51 confirmed positives, 56. They have all recovered and back to school. Accra High currently has just one active case who has not recovered. He's still under care in isolation center. Of the cases in Adan, of the 10 cases from Adan Secondary Technical, 7 has recovered. Wesley Grammar, no case. St. Mary's had 2. In fact, Wesley Grammar has 6 suspected cases. They have not been confirmed, and so they are just in quarantine. And we have Ablekuma, where the St. Mary's, where we had 2 cases who are all recovered. For Ebenezer Secondary School, there was 3 suspected cases, 1 confirmed case, and that case has recovered. So this means that there's no problem in the school. When you come to Okanke North, the Achimota has 7 cases, and the 7 have all recovered. When you come to the Odogono, they had 18 confirmed cases. It's quite recent, and we are waiting for them to recover, but they are all asymptomatic.
In the Ashanti regional capital of Kumasi, persons who were found without a nose mask in the metropolis will be arrested and detained for 1 hour before being forced to buy one. Ashanti Regional Minister Simon Osei-Mensah says these and other enforcement options are being considered to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the region. He was addressing the media at the start of a mass disinfection of markets and other public places in Kumasi. Lava Firm's Erastus Asaridonko has more.
Even before the disinfection exercise began in full swing, security personnel were seen taking persons without face masks to task by making them pick litter on the old Central Market lane. It was after Mr. Osei-Mensah had announced the new enforcement measures.
Yes, the various options we are trying to exploit. For instance, if you arrest a commercial vehicle and maybe the driver is not wearing the mask, one aspect is you try to get another vehicle and then the passengers will go on board the other vehicle, and then the driver plus the vehicle will be arrested for some time and, if possible, taken to court. The other option is you can let the person park the vehicle, stand there for some time, you take picture, you'll be there for maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, and then you let the person go. But before the person leaves, the person should buy some of the face masks and all those things before the person is allowed to go.
The joint Zoom Lion Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly Ashanti Regional Coordinating Council disinfection exercise started simultaneously across the city with about 8 mechanized spraying trucks. The Central Business District received a good dose of the chlorine solution meant to rid surfaces of viruses and bacteria. Shops were closed for about 5 hours as the team disinfected streets, alleys, frontage of shops and open spaces at Adum, PZ, Kejetia and other areas. Mobile teams with mechanized spraying guns worked inside the new Central Market building and Achamfo Market. The Alaba commercial hub was the target of thorough disinfection to the admiration of shop owners.
Nobody should come and open his shop. You should wait for them to come and spray the town before we start opening our shop. So we appreciate it. We appreciate what the government is doing just to protect ourselves.
Kingsley Yeboah Asante is general manager for Zoom Lion Ghana Ashanti.
Yes, this exercise is going to cover all lorry parks, all public toilets, and all market centers across the region. And we are doing it concurrently. As I speak, the exercise has started in several of the municipalities. We're going to use roughly about 5 hours to do this work. So close to about 3 p.m. we'll be done. And after 2 hours, the market women, public toilet, every place can start working.
Reporting for Joy News, Erastus Asaredonko, Kumasi.